Brilliant Classes is a renowned coaching institute located in Reengus, offering comprehensive coaching for commerce students. The institute is dedicated to providing high-quality education and guidance to help students excel in their studies and achieve their academic goals. With a team of experienced teachers and a well-structured curriculum, Brilliant Classes ensures that students receive the best possible preparation for their exams. Deepshikha Computer Classes is a leading computer training center established with the aim of promoting digital literacy and enhancing technical skills. Deepshikha Computer Classes offers a wide range of courses in information technology, including the Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology (RSCIT). The institute is equipped with modern facilities and experienced instructors who provide hands-on training and practical knowledge to students. Both Brilliant Classes and Deepshikha Computer Classes play a crucial role in the educational landscape of Reengus. By equipping students with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in their respective fields, whether you are looking to pursue a career in commerce or information technology, these institutions offer the support and resources necessary to achieve your goals.